Hi there. Good day, everyone. This is again teacher Jerry, a Java for English or Jerry Java for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Please do click that red subscribe button, turn that gray for me, please. And today we're gonna be talking about cause and effect. Okay, how to identify a cause and how to identify an effect. Okay, we will be having an activity for this. So please hang on, be with me today. Okay, we will be learning more about the cause and effect relationship. So let's get started. What is a cause? A cause is actually another word for the word another word that is synonymous to cause is actually a reason. Cause is for a reason. Okay, it is what makes something happen. Cause is what makes something happen. Why did it happen? You are going to ask yourself the reason. Cause is also the first thing that happened. Okay, in a sentence, in a situation, what was the first thing that happened? Oh, it cost everything. So that's it. Cause is for reason. The first thing that happened. It is what makes something happen. While effect, on the other hand, it's the result. Effect is for result. Okay, what happens? It's the second or the next thing that happened. Okay, it's what happens. It's the result. So our maybe uh, word for this is you have to remember our keywords. Cause is for reason, as effect is for result. Okay, cause, the first thing that happens, the second or the next thing that happens is effect. So let's have an activity for this. We have here a sentence. Let's have this as a sample first. We have here, the little girl was sleepy, so she sat on her mother's lap. Let's have that sentence. What is the cause? The cause is, what is the cause in this sentence? It's the little girl was sleepy. So what happened first? Why did she sit on her mother's lap? Because she was sleepy. So that's our cause. Then what is our effect? The effect is, so she sat on her mother's lap. As you can see here, you will see the effect because of the word so. Okay, that's your keyword there. That's your magic word. To find out the effect, if there's that word so that is the effect. And also to find out the cause, there is usually the word because. Okay, that's your signal word. That's your keyword in order for you to find out the cause because of the word because. For effect, we have the word so. We have here, the boy was hungry, so he planted corn. That's a sentence. So you have to ask yourself what is the cause, what is the effect. For cause, what happened first? Why did he plant the corn? Because he was hungry. So the boy was hungry, that's the cause. That's the first thing that happened. So what happened? So what happened? That's the effect. What is the effect now? The effect is, so he planted corn. As I said earlier, you'll find out the effect because of the magic word of your keyword so. That's your signal word. So he planted corn. What happened first? The boy got hungry. So the effect, what happened next? He planted corn. So we have here, the baby laughed because she liked her toy in that picture. So what is the cause? What was the first thing that happened? And what is your signal word? In order for you to have that cause, there is a word because. So because she liked her toy. So that was the first thing that happened. She liked her toy. Okay, so that's our cause. What happened? What's the effect? What's the next thing that happened? Or what's the second thing that happened? The baby laughed. So that is our effect. So we have here our activity. So tell me what should I click? Okay, you have to, which part of the sentence is boxed? You have to identify whether the boxed word or a group of words a cause or effect. If it shows a cause or effect in that sentence. So we have here the sentence. He broke a class rule, so he had to write sentences on the board. What is that? What is the cause or what is the effect? What is this? What does it show? He broke a class rule. Is that a cause or is that an effect? You have there, he broke a class rule. What happened first? He broke a class rule. So that is our, is it a cause or an effect? So it is a cause. That's what happened first. Okay. And yes, so you have here, so he had to write sentences on the board. That's the effect because of the word so. Okay, that's the next thing that happened. What happened first? He broke a class rule. He disobeyed. He misbehaved. So that's our cause. Okay, so the effect there is he had to write sentences on the board. Okay, the same sentences, maybe 100 of those same sentences. So you got it right. Correct. Congratulations. Okay, here. The boy knew the answer, so he raised his hand. Is that is a backed word or group of words? The boy knew the answer. Is that a cause or does it show an effect? Let's ask ourselves first. What happened first? What happened first? The boy knew the answer, or so he raised his hand. Why did he raise his hand? Because he knew the answer. You have the word because. So you have to ask why. Why did he raise his hand? Because the boy knew the answer. So that is a cause. So the back part is a cause. Okay? The effect is he raised his hand. We have here another one. When the child was bored, he tapped his fingers. When the child was bored, he tapped his fingers. What kind of clause or word or group of words is that? Is the boxed part? When the child was bored. So you have to ask yourself, what happened first? What happened next? What's the reason? What's the effect? So when the child was bored, he tapped his fingers. Why did he tap his fingers? What's the reason? Because he got bored. The child got bored. So the effect, so he tapped his fingers. So what happened first? He got bored. So that's a cause. Okay, that's our cause. The effect is tapped his fingers. Here, they wanted a drink because the sun was hot. We are going to find out if they wanted a drink is a cause or an effect. You have to ask yourself, what happened first? Did they drink first or the sun was so hot? What happened first? They, the sun was hot. Okay, this is, and of course you have the word because. As I told you earlier, to find out the cause, it is signaled with the word because. And it's the first thing that happened. So the sun was so hot. So they got very thirsty. They wanted a drink. So they wanted a drink. This is our effect. Okay, it's the effect. Here, the kid fell because of the water. Let's have this. The kid fell. What type is this, a cause or an effect? The kid fell because of the water. So what happened first? What happened first? Because of the water, maybe the water was it turned the road slippery. So this is our cause. Because of the water, so this is the cause. What happened because of the water? The kid fell. So the kid fell, that's our effect. That's the second or next thing that happened because of the water. The first thing that happened, there was water on the road or on the floor. Here, she hurt her knee when she fell down. So what happened first? What part is this? What do you call this? She hurt her knee? And what do you call this when she fell down? Is it which part is the cause, which part is the effect? She hurt her knee when she fell down. Okay, what happened first? Did she hurt her knee first? Or did she fall down first? Of course, she first fell down. Okay, she fell down. So this, when she fell down, this is the cause. Then, of course, so she hurt her knee. This is our effect. He grabbed his head when he started to fall. He grabbed his head. Is that a cause? He started to, or effect? He started to fall. Is this cause or effect? So what happened first? Did he grab his head first, or he started to fall first? What happened first? Why did he grab his head? He started to fall. What happened first? Did he grab his head first or he fell first? So we have here, first he started to fall. He was starting to fall, so that's our cause. Then our effect, he grabbed his head. So he grabbed his head, that's our effect. He started to fall, that's our cause. Then he screamed when he flew up in the air. What happened first? Did he scream first, or did he uh, fly up in the air first? First thing that happened, our cause is he flew up in the air. This is our cause. He screamed. So he screamed, right? So that's the effect. He screamed, that's effect. He flew up in the air, that's our cause. He was late for school, so he ran. What happened first? What's our cause? What's our effect? What happened first? Was he late for school first? Did that happen first? Or he ran? Why did he run? Why did he run? Because he was late for school. So this one, he was late for school. That's our cause. Our effect is so he ran, and of course we have the word so. So that's effect. Okay. The girl cried when she fell down. Okay, here. The girl cried when she fell down. The girl cried. What is this cause or effect? Then we have here when she fell down. Is this cause or effect? What happened first? Did she cry first or did she fall down first? She first fell down. So when she fell down, this is our cause. The girl cried. This is our effect. Okay. The girl cried effect. When she fell down, that's our cause because she first fell down. So that made her cry. That's our one effect. The girl cried. It was harder to ski when the little guy hitchhiked. Okay, what happened first? What happened next? The first thing that happened, of course, as I kept telling you, is the cause. The next thing that happened is the effect. So it was harder to ski when the little guy hitchhiked. Okay, what happened first? When the little guy hitchhiked. So he hitchhiked. That's our cause. So it became harder for him to ski. So that's because they were now it makes them heavy. So this is our effect. It was harder to ski effect when the little guy hitchhiked. That's our cause. The ice was slippery and the man fell. So what happened first? What's our cause? What happened next? What's our effect? What's the reason? What's the result? Okay. The ice was slippery. So this what happened first? There was ice on the floor and it made the floor slippery and made the man fell. So what happened first? The ice was slippery. That's a cause. And the man fell. This is our result. So this is our effect. Okay, effect. He floated to the ground because of the parachute. He floated to the ground because of the parachute. What happened first? What's our cause? Did he float first on the ground or there was a parachute? Okay, you have here because of the parachute. You have the word, you have your signal word, you have your magic word, you have the word because. So when you see the word because, that means that line or that clause, that part of the sentence is actually the cause. So because of the parachute causes, this is the cause, him to float on the ground. He floated to the ground, so this is our effect. Okay. Okay. Now, before I let you write your own sentences, let's do a little recap. Our You have to remember that cause is to reason, as effect is to result. You have to ask yourself, why? What happened first? That's the cause. And what happened next? What happened next or second? What's the second thing that happened? So that's the effect. Okay. Now you write your own cause effect sentence. Maybe first is according to this picture. There's like a family there over this, I mean, on the snow. Or and then also you can write your own sentences, cause effects sentences. Thank you. So this has been Teacher Jerry A. Java. So bye bye bye. Good job, everyone. Goodbye. This is again Teacher Jerry Java for English with Jerry Java. Bye bye bye.